Hello, Growsmarters. It is wonderful to be able to spend some time with you again. I hope that you have been taking good care of yourself because you are precious to me and that you continue to grow smarter every day. Now, today's words come from the practice edition of the Growsmart Newspaper for 2020. And we are going to look at spelling words. And yes, we are going to look at the spelling of the word, we are going to look at how to use them in a sentence, and we are going to look at their definition. So let's get started. Our first word, permeate, permeate, permeate. And it's a verb, so it means that it's an action. To pass through something that has pores or small openings or is in a loose form. To spread throughout. And our sentence reads, water will easily permeate throughout the sand. Our next word is slippery, slippery, slippery. Now I know these words sound easy, but this particular word, be very careful, it has two P's. If you leave it out, it's going to be incorrect. It is an adjective. It is describing a smooth surface or a wet surface, which makes holding onto or moving about very, very difficult. But it can also mean someone who is tricky, someone who cannot be trusted. But our sentence for today is going to read, the road was wet and slippery. Our next word, overturn. We've taken two words, over and turn, and we've placed them together. Overturn. It is a verb, so therefore it is an action. It means to turn over or upside down, like overturn a car if you drive too fast. And it can also mean to reverse or cancel something previously decided upon or previously ordered. So our sentence today is going to read, he filed a complaint seeking to overturn the election result. And that can happen in a court of law. Now it's your turn to practice at home. Our last word for today is sincere. It's an adjective. And it means having or showing honesty, being absolutely straightforward, free from pretense or deceit, proceeding from genuine feelings. And my sentence today is, my sincere thanks to you for being such wonderful students. And my sincere thanks to you for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe and grow smart.